And following is a Nokia 2.2, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, let's select the device and pull off the cover of the phone. So you have the little pin on the right side, the bottom. So you just want to pull off the cover like so. And from here, as you can see, you have access to a SIM tray on the right side or left side, depending how you look at it. If you're looking from the back, it's on the right side. And then on the right side, or the left side I meant, you have the SD tray, which is the one on the top, I think. Oops. There it is, so you can see right here. And below you actually have another tray for your second SIM if you wish to place that, but I will only use one for now. So once you place both of them in there, like so, you can see that the card is immediately being read, so I need to put in a pin for it. There we go. And the SD card is also being read. If I pull down, you can see SD card, tap to set up. So both of those are working just fine. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.